Hey, this is Nicholas. I'm coming on here for the daily volcano report. First, we have Ibeco. We're gonna go in there and see that one. Looks like it erupted. Flight levels up to flight level 7,000, extended southeast on Ibeco. That's in Russia and the Kamchatka Island. And then we have Samancaya, which is in Peru. It is erupting, but the volcanic ash was unable to detect, which means their instruments are not able to detect any volcanic ash right now. So we'll keep an eye on that one. And then we have this one really stood out for me because they just put this one on the list. This was an extinct volcano. However, they could still come alive. So we have this probably extinct volcano in Australia that is coming alive, the Atherton Volcano, which stood out to me. The last eruption really was anywhere from 200,000 to 10,000 years ago. So this is what I'm talking about with these new volcanoes coming alive. And then we have, we talked about White Island already. We have the Osso Volcano in Japan. That one it erupted, flight level 7,000, extended northeast on that one in Japan. We have the Nevado del Ruiz in Colombia. This one's explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, Washington, warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 20,000 feet altitude or flight level 200 and is moving at 10 knots and the west direction. So this is another one in Colombia. We have Fuego in Guatemala. Explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center of Washington warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimate of 14,000 feet or flight level 140 and is moving at 15 to 20 knots in the west direction. So we're going to keep an eye on that one. Reventador in Ecuador. That one has erupted. It says the volcanic ash emission has disappeared or dissipated. So we'll continue watching that one. And then we have Sakurajima. Exploded. Flight level 90, so that's 90, or that's a 9,000 feet flight level in Japan. And then we have the Nevado del Ruiz in Chile. No emission of volcanic ash there, but it is erupting. And we have Popocatépetl in Mexico. That one erupted to 22,000 feet. That's ongoing volcanic emission. Explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, Washington, warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 22,000 feet or flight level 220. So we'll keep an eye on that one. That volcano is always erupting, but we just got to watch for a bigger eruption on that one. And we have this last one, Sakurajima. That one is in Japan, and that one erupted up to 7,000 flight level, extended east. So that one is still has the eruption warning on it. So that's your daily volcano report. I'm going to do this every day for just a daily volcano report. And if I get any kind of breaking news, then I'll break it on a video on YouTube, and then I'll share it on the page. Excuse me. That's how I'm going to do it from now on. I'm going to go ahead and share it on the page. Thanks, guys, and God bless.